everyone, welcome to Foxtecc, and in this time we take a look at how you can make the widgets bigger on your iPad. So I'm on my home screen and I have this little widget of the battery indicator, which is showing me the current charge level of the iPad. In order to make it bigger, I have more ways. First of all, I can hold it down on the screen where there isn't anything on some blank space to enter the edit mode, right? So if I hold it down on it like this, you can see that everything starts to shake and we are in the edit mode. But the existing widgets on the screen have this little handle in the bottom right corner. So what you can do with it is essentially grab it and expand it to make it larger. So we turned the small battery widget, which was just the square, into this rectangular one. So you can see we made the widget larger. But of course, we can drag it more. It kind of depends on the widget type, right? But you can see that we have the handle in here as well, and we can make it even larger. So that would work the similar way as well. But another method would be, even for example, if you have an application icon like this Reminders app, you can hold directly on it with your finger like this, and you can see these buttons in here. So I'm gonna zoom in so you can see it nicely. Well, the first thing is selected. Okay, so let me just come back and redo it again. So as you can see, the first thing is selected, which means the smallest size ever, the icon only. But you can switch to the larger one like this, and it's gonna basically turn it into a widget. You know, we turned the app icon into a square widget, but you can hold down on it again and switch from the second option to the third option, and it's gonna expand the widget, right, and make it larger. Or you can go to the third and largest option and make it even bigger. So that's how you can also resize the widgets, even app icons, and that's how it works. Let me know if you managed to make it work on your iPad. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials in the future.